Well, I was up like 3 grand last night. Now I'm down six. ABCL is part of it. LWLG is another part of it. Tesla down $4. Not loving that. SpaceX up. Um, I mean, trying to be up a buck. We got the E-minis down to 3. NASDAQ up 60. It was up like 150, 200. Boring ass market. Mr. Faldor in the house. I'm a little bummed because I'm got FOMO on Micron again. And as much as I love Tesla and SpaceX, I don't know, man. Like, is there a lot of move left in these right now? Yeah, Micron up 34. If I'd have stayed in Micron, I'd be basically, I would be not up as much, I think. 856, 850. So I'd be I'd be up about the same, maybe even a couple grand more if I'd have just stayed over there. It was a lot more nerve wracking though. Like I can sleep better now. Micron, I couldn't fucking sleep, dude. Shit moves. Silver is still half off. It's about 80% off with your prediction, isn't it? You predicted what, 280? And it's 65, so about 75% off. $280, yeah. Yep. About 75% off. You watch any football this weekend? Getting pretty excited. I'm getting a little hopeful that the Chiefs are going to be good this year. I think K9's going to make a huge fucking difference, dude. Huge. He is a legit run threat that the Chiefs need, and he can catch. And I don't know if you remember the last time the Chiefs had a really good running back in the backfield that could also catch, and that was Kareem Hunt. And you go back and look at like 2018, 2019 Kareem Hunt, they were fucking something. I'm supposed to go see the new Jill Stadium. Jihad, what's the name? Jihad Stadium? Is that the name of it? Jihad? No, what's the name of your stadium? Highmark? Why is it called Jill? No, Highmark's the old one or the new one? I can't fucking remember. Got one spot left in the fantasy football league. I'd really like to fill that. Highmark. Ordered 10 more bottles of Retta. Paid like $380. Well, a little bit more than that $220 I paid about a month ago. A megaphone. Just get a little stockpile going now that Eli Lilly's scaring everyone successfully. Huh. Hmm. Yeah, one more spot still. Set order. Auto start. Snake. 2 minutes. CPU. Randomize. What would you do if I set it to manual and gave myself first pick? Oh, wait, did I just set it? Shit. Um, God damn it. That is not what I meant to do. Oh, that's gonna cause people to go ape shit. I'm number one now. I'm not gonna keep it that way. I didn't even want that shit to happen, bro. How do you see mess? Oh, I think this is. Oh, Buffalo Chills. I get it. I get it. Viva Las Vegas. Football. Football. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go back to my room. All right, we're green. Ooh, and SpaceX is up. Daddy like. ABCL trying to turn its frown upside down. Can we have a good day? Can we pump it? Can we send it? Can we motherfudging send it, son? Send it all year. Send it until I die. Just send it, bro. Connection. Even. You request to log in a Polymarket and Cowsheet. No. Someone trying. I don't even think I have accounts there, do I? It's exhausting with all these bots just trying to get into every fucking account you own. They're trying to get into my Facebook. I don't even really want the Facebook. And the phone calls. Fish Hook in the house. How you doing, brother? No, no, yeah, Mondays are the worst. Iran is the 60-day grace for what? I don't even know what to think about fucking Kazakhstan. Rocket Lab, whatever. Dude, declaring Kendrick is superior. Oh, Jesus. This is. Oh, Trapper Keepers, dude. Those were the. Oh, Trapper Keepers, bro. They were like, as a kid, the coolest fucking thing ever, dude. Where's Jason at? I know he knows what's up. Fishhook, remember? Who are these people? That's who is that? He look Oh, that's Emmett. Is that Emmett Smith? Oh, his I didn't know his kid played for Kansas City. EJ Smith. Wow. I didn't know that. Did he play? We got one. Hell yeah. He didn't even play, bro. Emma Smith's wife's kind of hot. Not gonna lie. Is that her real hair? Probably not. Good for you, Emmett. With your little essentials water. They gotta share lockers? That's kind of lame. I bet like Mahomes and fucking Kelsey and K9 don't have to share lockers. I want to see that shit. Oh, see, his Jimmy Holiday's all by himself. Yeah. The players that that might not make the team. Is that like a lockbox? All right, Jimmy Holiday. I don't think is he making the team? This is the dumbest story I've ever read in my life. I don't like to spend money. I don't like to waste money. I was at a Rolls Royce joint. He was asking about these Rolls Royce, and the salesman's like, "Can you even afford these?" So he gets pissed off and buys three just to prove, dude, you're pissed off at some dude and just made his fucking like, you know what I mean, commission wise. If you would have gone to another salesman What the F did you just say? So I buy 3. That one, and I want them dropped off, move the seat back. Yeah. I'd have been like, "Get me." What? Yeah, you really showed him, Shaq, dumbass. All right. SpaceX up 5. Everything else is just kind of Tesla trying to go green. That would be good. We have this call. I feel like it should be up more than that, bro. I mean, it's up, so oh shit, I have a put on over here. And a covered call. Bitcoin's up 144 to 63.6. That one, I don't know, we're at like 1364. And the bottom's 1432 to 1436 the last 2 cycles. Everyone keeps pointing that out. Genesis, Epithelion, Penelion. I don't know that I need that. Uh, mm-hmm. I want to try this Cardalax. Shit's kind of expensive. $65. You still got red on there. Nebivolol. Tadalafil. Out. I'm not rocking 20 milligrams. What do you think? I want to walk around with a fucking raging heart on all day? Oh, Emmett Johnson did play. Interesting. You got those 20. Really? For the boners? Like you're not, Yeah. I mean, you don't take it daily. You just do it for the sex. I was saying I ordered 10 more bottles of Retta, the Jason fucking cheap ones. Oh, you can cut them? I thought they were capsules. Yeah. Oh, you didn't get them from, you got like fucking prescription or what? Ugh. Yeah, I paid like $350 for 10 more things of Retta. I got 20 bottles of Retta for $5, bro. Prescribed. Yeah, I haven't prescribed too, but I don't know. I haven't been filling it. And it's only, I think it's 5. It's only he did, like I told him I was taking it daily and it pissed him off. He had 12 carries for 59 yards. Holy shit. Do we keep him? Um I mean, he's not going to clear waivers. It's going to be K9. Maybe we cut DeMarcado. It's going to be K9. Oh, is he the Nebraska running back? I didn't know that. Yeah, I like him, dude. We cannot let him. We've got to keep him. He's ugly, bro. He looks nothing like his mom and dad. What the actual fuck? Wait, Emmett. Okay, first of all, that's not Jesus Christ, dude. This whole time I've been. This is not Emmett. This is not Emmett. Oh my goodness. This is not EJ Smith, bro. Emmett threw me off. Yeah, he played really well. We got to keep him. I don't know about this EJ Smith. He looks like fucking Emmett. That wasn't very cool of what I said about Emmett Johnson. That wasn't very nice. Good old fake football. None of those guys on the 53. Living la vida loca. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. More, more. Oh, I have 800 shares of Tesla. When did that happen? I'm out of control. Micron up 44. Rebel, yeah. More, more, more. Sea of Joy. What is this shit? Time to Sunday for just been. What the fuck is this? This deserves a ban. SMR going green. Okla's just been kind of boring. I don't know if we can do anything with covered calls over there. I mean, might as well. I mean, is it really worth it for like $100? Yeah, I mean, it's lowering your cost basis, but fuck, bro. I don't know if that's really worth it. The rebel, yeah. More, more, more. What is that? All right, Bitcoin. This is where if it rejects this, you might short it, dude. Yeah, might. What's going to happen between now and that bottom? I mean, if it doesn't bottom in 6 weeks, the cycles change. Velez in the house. How you doing, brother? The rebel, yeah. I don't know why I got that. Oh, I know why I have that song in my head, bro.
Start again. Start again. Come on, it's a nice day to more, 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 more. Where do we go now? Take me home.
There's another good one. Ricky in the house.
Ooh, yeah. Start again. Start again. Come on, pick it up. Start again. Take me back home. Start again. Start again. Come on, pick it up. Start again. Take me back home. Start again. Start again. Come on, pick it up. Start again.
Yeah, and I wonder if those are gonna get me. That's the most worth a copyright strike ever, bro. Those shits put a smile on my face so fast. SpaceX looking good, bro. If we can turn this Tesla around, start again. Covered calls are looking good. I don't know if I should. Nasdaq up 60. Pretty. I don't think there's anything on the economic calendar. How's my midnight doing? Not so hot. Again, I'm torn between wanting this to rip and going down to half a penny. Ada looking like shit. Charles Hoskinson was rambling about Anthropic watermarks. I'm like, bro, don't you have better fucking fish to fry? Fucking Farnswoggle P. Horsetooth burns me on Celestia and then defriends me. Fucking loser. Bitcoin up 700. Ethereum 1900. Start again. Dollar, I haven't looked at that in a while. It's going down. NASDAQ cruising to all-time highs. Paying attention, this is your captain speaking. We're hitting a little turbulence, trying to get to clear skies. Gold at 4,400. Oil moving up. Good question. I don't fucking know. I didn't even look at oil or bonds. Slacking. Oil's, yeah, it's moving up a little. Nothing crazy. I would not. You got to be fucking out of your mind to be trading oil, unless you have Trump API or on Trump's staff. They're obviously insider trading it, bro. Obviously, it's like it is so criminal what they're doing on the Trump staff when it comes to trading. And no, it's just like whatever, dude. What like that's a reason to have TDS right there. Trump's one of those guys that will just see what he can get away with, and he will just get away with it, and he's getting away with it, bro, like big time. And he's like, why? What's it matter? Even if they come after me, I'll just get fucking like pardoned by someone or yeah. It's not even like, are you kidding me? The way they're insider trading, like I don't mind Congress trading because I don't think they have any real edge. Or when it's obvious, like if they are, like say you're on the defense committee and then you buy a shitload of fucking whatever fucking stock that's in defense. I can't think of them any right now. Like Drunken, no. Pan security, but some drone shit because like some drone shit goes through, or Lockheed Martin because you know they're gonna get then fucking yes, that should be something. But because Nancy Pelosi's husband bought fucking Nvidia, I don't know that there's any real inside trading there. People in Congress should be able to trade stocks and build their future, but there should be, dude, this season of tires is excellent, bro. So fucking good. I need to fix my camera, but I don't want to deal with it. God damn it. Oh no. What the hell? Uh-oh. That's a little better. You know, have you Oh yes. Dude, this season, like I don't know, it's one of those shows that sometimes it's hard to watch more than one episode. But this season they're like even the story in it's so fucking good, dude. And the chick from Dave's I don't know if you ever watched Dave's girlfriend, like from season 1 or 2, whatever. She's in it. I kind of like her. But it is so funny. And then, yeah, like I said, this year, I really like the storyline. It's just full of so many good actors. I mean, comedians that are doing a great job of acting. But the guy, his cousin's hilarious. Hayden Church crushes it. Stavros crushes it. Dan Soder's in it this season. He's pretty funny. Even his buddy is a comedian, like the guy with the goatee that kind of has a small part. The blonde chick's crushing it this year. I'm telling this is one of the best comedies on. Well, I mean, I don't know. I just love Shane Gillis. The best comedy. I don't even know if you can call it a comedy anymore. Is fucking Ted Lasso, dude. That show is so good, but it makes you cry more than it makes you laugh anymore. He's beating. Nah, shut the fuck up. Ask Livermore. Did you finish? No, I still have like 4 or 5 episodes left. At first, I was only watching like one episode. I watched one episode on Thursday and then one episode on Friday, and I want to say 1 or 2 episodes on Saturday. And then I got hooked on the storyline, and I did like 3 or 4 yesterday. And I wanted to keep going, but your boy had to go to bed. More, more, more. This chick is annoying, bro. I'm beginning to wonder about all her fucking analysis. I might be on a holiday. The Rebel, yeah. Watch SAS Rogue Heroes. Never heard of it. Well, I woke up to over 100 followers. Okay. 24 years ago today, The Wire would air the 11th episode. Why is that the type of shit that gets on Twitter, bro? The Hunt on HBO, which would birth the famous GIF from Weebay. I don't even know what the fuck that means. WW2 show. I went to 1.5 milligrams of Harvey went to 1.5 milligrams of fucking Retta. What are you up to, Jason? The Rebel, yeah. Oh, it's fucking weird. Nice. The same. I don't really want to go up from that, especially now that shit might be hard to get in the future, bro. All right, SpaceX, let's go, baby. How are we gonna work it? I don't know. I just hope that when it becomes prescribable, I can get my doctor will prescribe it, but will the fucking insurance pay for it? And be like, you're doing just fine on fucking Sema. Actually, bitch, I'm doing great on Retta. Although it's whatever. If I have to go back to Sema, don't worry. Oh, because you'll eventually hold my hand and help me figure out these fucking backdoor groups. What happens if they shut all that down? Like customs locks it down and it's hard to get shit through, bro. And then what? And then what, tough guy? Oh yeah. I'm not complaining about not having Micron. SpaceX is working out. How's SpaceX is pretty soon gonna be my well, it's trying to be the best winner of the year. Yeah, it's got about 70,000 to catch though. I got on the way. Jesus fuck, dude. How much did you pay for a kit of that? Like $50? Are you just gonna throw a bunch of it away? You got your wife on it too? You got the kids and dog on it? China, it's all from China, dude. Made $590. We're up about $300 on this call. Only about 7,700 to go to make up from that LDI debacle. 88 cents. That can't go much lower, right? And the rebel, yeah. More. Ricky must be being hit by yappers. Alibaba. Let's look at the shit report. I'm not expecting any alpha here today, but I'll give him credit. We made it within 68 cents. Jesus, shut the hell up. In my opinion, a lot of this was driven by lower and okay, suggested law, software and cyber took a break. Today starts heavier than hoped. Trump discussion about rewriting weapons and lashing out against South Korea. What were bonds doing? I forget. Down through. Ooh, that's not good, bro. That's rate hike city. 108.24. That might be worth going long. Oh, come on. ZB, which one are we on? U6? I don't even know how to. Why won't this chart come up, bro? Oh, wait. What is that? Data is delayed. This is ugly. Potential double bottom at 107. Then we got to come down to like 104. Yikes. You might not want to hear this, but the .com crash, ooh, 89. It went from 113, 116 to 89 quick. Like, is that a gap? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That's concerning. Where's the best place to get bulk Retta? I don't know, that fucking the groups. It's hard to navigate. So if you just want no hassle, pay the extra premium. Crush peptides. Are you really? God damn, dude. All right, I'll just fucking send you money and you hook it up, bro. That work? And then Fish Hook, there might be a new store here soon. Although Jason looks like he's trying to rip me off. I'm just kidding. Calm down. You're nuts, dude. Oh, I mean, you can consult your wife, right? What did your wife say? It's nice to have a lawyer as a fucking wife. Isn't your wife a lawyer? Kind of remember her wearing the pants. NVIDIA, all of these create a bit of Brent, both blah. NVIDIA rejecting 227, SanDisk, blah. We're still in the post Leopold money has been spent. The big first week. Now we're slogging up. Today market has to absorb the weekend. There was no weekend. Yeah, that's a big fat nothing. Yeah, dude, I'm for sure. I almost wish I didn't buy from Crush. Can you get what about the Hospira? That's the holy grail right there. No wonder you know so much shit about all these different fucking. You're trying to get paid. I don't know. Like, if you want to stay out of the low key, if you want to stay out of the fucking firing squad, you might want to stay away from the AAA. I don't know if that shit's worth the heat. Oh yeah, SpaceX launched like back to back within the same day, didn't they? Gotta look what they're doing to get in front. Uh, I mean, you can be smart. Like, I don't know. Even your boy Rory within minutes. What are you talking about? Yeah, Rory sold, and it's a matter. What do you mean it's a matter of time? He already sold. Like he did not want the heat. Yeah, he probably made decent money. He's a little bitch. Hey, I don't blame him. Not blame him. Dude was giving away back. Oh, I didn't even check to see if he had that shit in. Oh, within minutes. Can you get Hospira? You didn't answer. I didn't even add that to my order. I don't even think he has it. Oh, he does have it. Damn it. Oh, well, I got plenty right now. You gonna send me a free hat? It wasn't within minutes. Expensive? It's not that expensive. How much is it? 38 minutes. Oh yeah. I guess it was within minutes. My apologies. I have a tiny little bit of just a tiny little fraction of acid reflux. Like I could feel it in my stomach this morning. All right, SpaceX, come on. Don't give up on me. Come on, Tesla. Come on, ABCL. I am in him doing okay. Shardy not talking today. Looking for a pop. Tesla. Waiting to see. All right. Add some of this. I don't know what line she. Oh, that's the weekly. I mean, I'm not really seeing much of a reason to pop there, but I'm not going to complain if it does. And vets are able to get Hospira for a discount. What does that even mean? Why would vets get it for a discount? Like, don't they have to have a reason? They can just go to the fucking Tractor Supply. I don't. Oh, vets. You're talking like animal. Yeah. Fuck, bro. You need to go. Um, there's got to be some fucking essays in the neighborhood that have vets like fucking Breaking Bad that you can get a hookup on. Diabetes. Oh, so you are talking vets, not veterinarians. Why do veterans need bactosteric water for diabetes? What are they reconstituting? Doesn't insulin already come fucking ready to go? I'm not on insulin. I don't know. And why do veterans? Why wouldn't anyone get it? Living la vida loca. Mhm. Come on, dude. Where's my motherfucking Extreme Lab? Don't know that. Well, you're gonna come with half-assed details. Yeah, Ricky must be getting finger blasted with yappers today. Oh. Probably through the VA traffic. Rebel, yeah, more. Finger in the ass. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This might be where some of you want to tune out before I finish my comment. But if you've never had a finger stuck up the bum, oof, oof, dude, that shit will chip tile. You are definitely missing out. That is a must, bro. Don't doesn't make you gay if a chick sticks a finger up your bum. I'm sorry. I just almost shot one thinking about it. I'm telling you, you are missing out, bro. You do not know what you're missing. Charlie Sheen says Mercedes because his airbags while he was okay. What? The ideal was way to test would be to send 3 vials.
Offs, right. And then finally, that. Oh shit! Nigga said, "Shut the fuck up." Didn't win any goddamn this year.
Justin, haven't you won Grammys? CAG can decrease heart rate. I'm too scared to try CAG. Strap on. I'm gonna say it doesn't make you gay, but if someone were to say it did, I wouldn't argue. It's gray area. I'll put it. It's a gray area. It's fluid, but technically, it doesn't make you gay. It's not about the circumference. It's about the fact it's not an actual dude. You know. McConnell Air Force Base. I grew up near that. I saw like a B whatever bomber back in the day. We thought it was a UFO. Northrop Grumman. That's another defense contractor. Are you going to tell me China doesn't rip us off? U.S. and Iran agree to a 60-day cease. Has it really a ceasefire? Didn't like haven't recently like people like hasn't Iran shot missiles at our shit and boats and lanterns? What is this show?
We will have the sheriff's station. We got a case to work.
Jesus Christ Almighty. I'm gonna clinch. Wrong. See.
Do you know who I am? The massive power of the ring.
Killing a lantern would trigger a large response. Killing a lantern would trigger a large response.
I like that guy.
The only way you're gonna get this ring is over my dead fucking body.
Jordan's actions have accelerated the inevitable.
There's more going on here than you realize.
The best thing you can do for all of us is just go.
If you want this job,
I'm gonna have to move you off the game board.
You think they're gonna let you keep the ring?
Yeah, that looks dumb as shit, but I might watch it because of the one guy. Crow's last stream was just him going full Ellis, and then, well, now how do you know the whole stream was that? Maybe it was just for like 10 minutes. What if he looks like a girl? If it's a he, that's what makes you gay. And not that there's anything wrong with that. Rory's a 14-year-old teenager, bro. He had some shitty ass blinds. Damn, dude's more of a slob than me. That's saying something. Looks like those fucking cans are from the 90s, bro. What is that right there? What stadium? All right, let's click on this fucking stupid ass link. And I'm going to be... What? Jesus, dude. Get to the point. I mean, I got the point, but get to the fucking point. So he would rather sleep with a hot transsexual than a woman, a one. I don't know. I don't know, bro. I mean, I might agree with them. I might agree with them, bro. I mean, a 10 transsexual or one woman. I might have to pick the 10 transsexual. Folks, we better get some fucking Pat O'Neill tonight. That's all I'm saying. I didn't get any last week, and I got withdrawals. Folks, come on, you stupid. All right, here we go. I'm following up with Salem Labs. Okay, hurry the hell up, bro. I got some labs to do today. I take it you weren't able to see my auto stereogram. I don't even know what an audio stereogram is. Oh, yeah. I was complaining you probably should have get a 1 week ban for that. I still don't know I know what an audio stereogram is now, but I don't know what it is. What is an audio? What, like, bro, Monday is Monday. Jesus Christ, dude. Go fuck yourself. An audio waste of time. Oh, and an image pops up. It's probably a big fat penis, right? Yeah, dude, this shit was something we used to do like 30 years ago on Tumblr. I don't see an image. Is it too big? I'll try it small. It's like, what's this supposed to be? Just another Manic Monday? No, really? How? Just another Manic Monday. I see Manic. I don't. Is it supposed to be in the background? Like, I don't fucking know, bro. Just another Manic Monday. You gotta have. It's a schooner. I usually see them, but I don't see this one, bro. The words are supposed to blur into just another Manic Monday. The Hayden Panettiere girl dying sucks. Oh yeah. I don't know who that is, but I saw that on Twitter this morning. I am curious the cause of death. They're saying because she spoke out against like Hollywood or some shit. Yeah, pretty much, bro. More. I ordered the Ghost. And that shit is delicious. It's way better than that other brand. About that super young, supposedly this morning, some are saying accidental OD. I think I remember that why you did. Cherry limeade. Once we get to that IPO price, we boogie. I mean, I hope so. Are we thinking 150? That's a good one. You've had it? I'm a sucker for cherry limeade. When I was a kid, there was this place called Snack Haven, and they sold cherry limeades, and they put a real lime in there. Oh, that shit was heaven is a place on earth. Song was dedicated to Snack Haven. They had amazing milkshakes back then. I used to eat these like chicken nugget French fry bowls. They're hamburgers. Oh, so good, bro. But that cherry limeade, nothing hit harder than the Snack Haven cherry limeade. I can't imagine what kind of like chemicals and shit I ate back then because there weren't no motherfudging health inspectors. They didn't keep that shit clean. Liberty and Trust in the house. Did you go boom? No, I need to. Well, I don't know. I don't really need to, but I thought it was coming. Friday was rough, dude. I was after stream. I was constipated like a mofo, straining for like 30 minutes, and like some pebbles came out, and then all of a sudden, it didn't feel like much came out, and I looked down there, and there was a massive log. Fucking plugged up the toilet. We went, oh yeah, no, he's lying. I'm a sucker. Yeah, I like citrus too. Should I considered it. Me and an old friend used to have battles on text messages, and he won. Let's just put it that way. That dude had some gnarly shits. Quiet day? Yeah, we're doing okay with SpaceX. SpaceX is trying to lift off. I don't know that 150 and bitch ass Jason never bought more SpaceX, did you? The Rebel, yeah. Mm-hmm. Tesla's trying to heat up. SMR went green. ABCL giving back a little. Is bitched out. Jason on a delay, so I don't know what is bitched out means. I don't remember what I said for that to make sense. Something I said 3 minutes ago, probably. What's your take on parasites in the body? I don't think that's true. Some people get them. You can get checked. Your doctor can do blood tests or shit tests, actually. Just take ivermectin. 60 days. I don't know if that shit works. It's not supported by evidence. You should go get one of those shit tests. Find a good doctor that does it. And it tells you your gut, brain, your gut health, and all that shit. Tell you what you need to focus on. And it'll tell you if you have parasites. I don't like, I mean, you do you. I hate that saying. Papaya seeds and clove tea sounds fine. Yeah. There's like, you don't, what is a good place to get stool test for gut health and parasites? The one I did was like the best one. It was through a doctor though, but other people I'd seen had talked about it. Yeah, it's really good. I think parasites are pretty uncommon in the United States, unless you're like in a poor neighborhood and or eating at fucking like food trucks. Genova might have been the one I did. I don't. I don't think you're common like healthcare physician. Find that like a clinic that specializes in peptides and life extension, maybe. Mine, I have one in. It was covered by healthcare. You're welcome. You got that test. It probably said you were ravaged with fucking parasites, worms and shit. Yeah, and I don't. In the United States, unless you're eating like fucking um raw pork or walking in the streets barefoot or drinking non-potable water, it's pretty uncommon. No, this was, yeah, kind of. You like shit into like this, yeah, and you have to scoop it into like it was 4 different vials. Sushi has crazy, but yeah, I don't know if that's true or not. Our vacation in India. What are the risks of parasites if you eat sushi? You eat a lot of sushi? Maybe if you're getting it off of fucking Jose on the street, if Jose's selling you sashimi, that might be a problem. Carries a low but real risk. Marine fish. $7-Eleven. Rest of the world does. Parasite cleanse every year. Yeah. I mean, I don't think shoving pumpkin seeds up your ass is necessarily a bad, and your colon, your tea enemas. I mean, it's probably fine, bro. I would be surprised if you had parasites. All right, let's go. Up 10 grand for the day. Frowny cat face. Meow. MicroStrategy up 4. I've coverage strangle, a put. That thing's hitting on all angles. Not a lot, but a little bit. You know, every little step. Boom, boom, boom. Every little step. Mm-hmm. Come on, SpaceX. I think 150's. When did it start? Was it 170? Oh, I guess we can look. What's the price? Then it IP'd. I want to say 150. 150, yeah. Where is the best place to learn options? Here. Tasty Trade used to be. They used to have a bunch of videos, but they took them all down. It's still a decent place to earn. It just depends on. I mean, honestly, I'm probably here. Depends on what you want to do, though, man. If you want to buy options, you're going to lose your money. If you want to sell options, sell cash secured puts and cover. Start with cash secured puts, put spreads, call spreads, and covered calls. For example, I have a cash secured put on in the small account. 120, 32 days to go. I don't know. It's a lot. There's a lot to it, bro. Trade small and just learn it. Like puts are really good. Good way to learn. It's a learning experience though, dude. It takes time. And you might make mistakes. But I sold a 120 put and got $5.53 credit. There'll people that tell you, I mean, like probably a 80% chance that it'd be 50% profitable. But there's limited upside. I can only make $500. If SpaceX goes to the moon, I would have made more by buying the stock. But the buying power was only like $3,000 instead of, no, I want to say $7,000 instead of 12. Yeah, Meet Kevin is not the place to learn options. I'm not even like, don't even fucking entertain that. They still cover it a lot on Tasty Live all day long. Oh, there's that Jim guy. He's good. Jim Schultz. He's got his own YouTube channel. Tasty Trade used to be, that's how I learned. But they sold it to that IG in Europe and they fired all the good people and took down all the educational videos. Um, but if you're looking to buy options to get rich, you're just going to lose all your money. But it's a good way to like theta. Selling options in theta is a real good way to do it. But I'm not really. I don't know. The thing is that we've been in such a bull market, you could just make a fortune by buying stock. Every time I sell covered calls, it just fucking blasts through them. Or if I, you know what I mean? We've been in a crazy bull run. Just buy good stock and hold. Buying stock, your 50-50 chance you'll be right. Selling options, it's greater than 50%. But then, like, I don't know, the long tail is you can have a massive loss. The edge case. If you buy good stocks, just buy the NASDAQ, bro. I'm eventually going to do that where like a big part of my portfolio is just the NASDAQ. Maybe a little SPY, like 40 to 60% of my accounts, just fucking NASDAQ and SPY, you know? Maybe sell covered calls. Sell, 5 Delta strangles. What's that? What would that be worth? Maybe we'll go 15 Delta. I mean, that's $41. Holy fuck. Maybe we better look at the SPY. 5 Delta. So it's only $1.60 credit, but it's gonna be like a 90% chance, 95% chance of being 7% chance of being 50% profitable. Problem is the buying power on this in an IRA is gonna be nuts. Yeah, 73,000, but the small account, it's only 11,000. And if you had span margin, ooh. Yeah, mine's mostly, oh yeah, that sucks. This is almost guaranteed money right here, but it's only $160, you know? E-mini's down 9, NASDAQ up 107. Tesla going green. Hell yeah, bro. I can I had the AK out when the market opened. AK might get put back in the closet. SpaceX calls up 70. Well, I wonder what calls you got. 94150s. I have a 137. How's that doing? Gotta be doing pretty good. Up 600. We'll let that one ride. Low key. We're gonna bring back low key. We might have to buy. Like pull a fucking fish hook. Fuck it. I never do this. Oh shit, I didn't even try and get. Hopefully that was mid price. 62.20. Yeah, I got a good price. I'm tempted to do this in the small account. Mm, wait a second. Fuck it. I'm going to get that off there because I don't want to be negative. There we go. I just bought a fucking fish hook move, bro. Should you guys do it? Hey, don't. Just because I did it doesn't mean it's a good trade. But I just bought the 150 call, 851 days to go on SpaceX. I need it. At expiration, it would need to be like 220 bucks. 210, 212.15. Anything over 212.15 and fuck it, bro. Can't buy happiness. All right, boys and girls. I've never hated buying leaps. I just never really done it. Not something I typically do. But I fucking love SpaceX, dude. I think SpaceX will be the biggest company in the world. And by a large margin eventually. I think it's going to cruise to 10 trillion, 20 trillion. I'm not even being a Kool-Aid sipper, bro. This company is. What are the odds of success? I don't know, probably like 45%, 32%. 66% of being 50% profitable. That's pretty good. You're learning leaps. If you really like the stock, and that the danger to this is almost a guaranteed win. But if the market tanks, then you're 70, 60. So it's whatever you paid for it. Didn't you pay like 5,600? So I paid 6,000, right? You take 6,000 and you divide it by 100. What does that give you? 6,200. You divide it by 100. What does that give you? Front months. Yeah, it's not a terrible idea. Sell. If you take your strike price, whatever this, bro, like, why am I telling you to divide? This $62. You paid 6,300. You paid $63. That's, you add that to your strike price. So is yours the 150? You add 63 to your strike price, and at expiration, that's break even. Well, I mean, actually, yeah, that's break even. Anything above that, you make money. And if it goes up a lot beforehand, you make money regardless. So, but your strike price or your how much you paid for it, the $60 for that one, it's actually a little bit cheaper now. But I paid $62.15. You add that to your strike price of $150, that gives you $212.15 as your break even. That's parity at expiration, meaning $212.50. This will still be worth at $212.50. You paid $150. That means the strike price will still be $62.15. Anything lower than that, you start losing money. Anything above that, you make money. And the earlier it goes up, the more money you make because the delta and all that moves up. But the longer duration, it's, that also lowers the delta, but and the theta. Tesla's 300. That's $15,000 minus your, because 150 to 300 is 150 times 100. It's 15,000 minus your price of 66,000. So you make like $9,000. About a month ago. All right, boys and girls. You all have a wonderful day. My time, you've been great.